Hey guys, welcome back. So the Microsoft Surface Duo was a unique product, and while it mostly succeeds at its goal of being a mobile productivity station, it was still ultimately a first-gen device and struggled with some of the basics such as software was glitchy, camera performance was mediocre, and it packed in a bunch of outdated hardware for the time. And this was reflected in the price. It lost over 50% of its value all the way from $1,400 when it launched to $649 this past May. But Microsoft is still charging ahead with a sequel to the device, and now we have the first credible pictures of it. We said credible cause Zach Borden of Windows Central says the images are legit, and since he has had an impeccable history of nailing Surface Duo rumors, we believe these are legitimate. Now the first thing you will notice is that huge camera bump that houses triple cameras along with LED flash and what appears to be a laser autofocus sensor. The leak also shows the Surface Duo 2 in a stealthier black color sporting a frosted glass body instead of the glossy finish Microsoft used on the last year's device. Also, they have pulled the fingerprint reader from its original spot and moved it to the power button and centered the USB-C port on the right hand side. Microsoft is reportedly making the display slightly bigger with thinner bezels allowing for more screen real estate. Rest of the design elements look similar to previous Surface Duo. Borden says that Microsoft will supposedly include the latest specs, much improved cameras, NFC support, and will ship running Android 11, but hopefully we won't have to wait too long for an Android 12 update. As for the processor in question, currently the latest Qualcomm processor is Snapdragon 888 with support for 5G and possibly more RAM as well. Unfortunately, it remains to be seen if Microsoft will be able to include things like wireless charging or an official rating for water resistance, which have become standard features on most high-end smartphones. As for launch, the rumored launch date of Surface Duo 2 is being pegged around September or October this year. And as we get closer to the launch, we will get more new details. So I recommend you do one thing, that is subscribe to our channel. And that's it for today. Hope to catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.